This is a trust. The money we are spending is not my money. I didn't come along with it from Radda because my father doesn't have this kind of money. But this is money that is entrusted in us. Some people will call us many names. I am Omugunchini, I am Bakinchikini. Many names. It doesn't bother me. Let's do the right thing. And in the process of doing the right thing, you can even get whatever you want to get. But let it not be our primary aim to have position to accumulate wealth. That should not be our primary responsibility. That should not be the main reason of coming into government. I've never said it anywhere that I'm a perfect person, but I'm trying to be one as much as I can. I've told everybody who cares to listen that I inherited 4,500 from my late father. And here I am standing as a governor of this state. And people, I was not even the first, second, third people they were expecting will win the election. But God did this favor for me. The only way I can pay back is to try to be fair to people in discharging my responsibility. One thing that I have been nursing in my mind and what I had wanted to do in my life is to always try the impossibilities. When people always say that this thing is not possible, you can't do it, I believe it can be doable and I can do it and I can give it a try. So it is always good to test some challenges. First of all, when I wanted to do public administration reform, people were saying you can't do it. This is Katsina. There are a lot of interest. People will not allow it. They will sabotage it. They will not do that. I said I will do it, and we did it. It touches my mind. When I went around, I was in Gobirawa, Dusama local government, where they had the incidents of the bandit. But despite the challenges and despite the problems they are in, they were praying for us.